My name is Steven Aceto, and my company is called the Bee Raft. Now, what the Bee Raft is, actually, this is a sample. This is an example of what a Bee Raft is. They're decorative pieces of foam, and you put them in the water, like bird baths, ponds, fountains, jacuzzis. They're good for gardens, or you can put them in your swimming pool, hot tubs. And what they do is they attract bees to them if there's any bees in the area, and they keep bees from drowning. Now you have a decorative piece of foam, and the bees can live, and in return, they get back to making food that we eat. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys, the opportunity to hopefully get a grant. That's what I want to do. I want to do something good for the planet before I check out, and give people something else that they can, help out with. I mean, saving a bee species, that's a pretty good one.